Guys, today I made a quick pasta dish with leftovers. Don't go to sleep on your leftovers. You can make an amazing dish. So I use broccoli, poblano peppers, a red pepper, celery, and onions, and I sauteed it in sesame seed oil. Then I made my own sauce with gochujang, which is a brown rice and red pepper paste. To that, I added coconut aminos and I added a little bit of garlic powder and a little water to loosen it up, stirred it up, poured it in, let it just marinate with the vegetables, and then I added in my pasta that I had left over. Now, this pasta was already seasoned from another dish, so layers of flavors, let me tell you. So, listen, guys, do not be afraid to go in your refrigerator, get your leftovers, and make an amazing dish. Guys, I would also love to know, what are your plans for Thanksgiving? I'm cooking a small dinner for my family, but then after that, Thursday evening, or I should say afternoon, we're going camping, just my husband and I, just to get away to reset because 2020 has been a year that we will not forget. So I just want to get along with my man, spend some time in nature, and just relax, literally do nothing and think about nothing. So please let me know what you guys are doing for Thanksgiving. And what do you do with your leftover meal? I want to know. Because leftover Thanksgiving is amazing. Yeah, y'all let me know about that too. So, guys, thank you so much for watching Vegan with Soul. And I'll catch you next time in my kitchen. Bye, guys.